Ông tuân nhân trang là em đã từng theo ông sinh hiện có là anh nhát ở khi mà mình quan tâm đến tí ní.
And I hope that I can inspire you all.
Chúng chia sẻ tha về những trang trang anh mình bắt con đã luôn chơi bóng luôn nghe từng học nè.
Are you excited? Good. Well, I'm sure you've seen some videos of me on YouTube.
Chúng chia tha lúc nãy bạn có video có trong lời YouTube hai bên đấy.
Yes.
So you know that I like to have a lot of fun, right? So with my little foot, I've learned how to walk, I learned how to ride, and swim, and surf. There are many things that I can do. And many people say, how come, Nick, you have so much joy? Are you just a positive person? Are you always positive? I say no. I know that my smile is real. And you can have real joy in your life. But I want to encourage you in the times where you feel maybe down. I've traveled 47 countries now. I've met 8 presidents. And now 3 vice prime ministers. And I've met people who have a lot. And I've met people who are famous. And I've met the poor. And I've met everyday people. One thing that we're all looking for is happiness. Where can we find happiness? In times of life, we feel like we'll never find happiness. Sometimes we get depressed. Well, my parents said this, that if you want to expect a different result, sometimes you have to do something different. So if you're bored and you don't know what to do, maybe do something different. So one day, I thought of something very funny. I like to pull tricks. I like to trick people. One day I was on the beach. And I was sitting on the sand. And a woman came up to me. I had my foot. And so she didn't see my little foot. And she said, wow, how long did it take you to bury your legs in the sand? And I said, a long time. And he said, a long time. And so she thought I had my legs in the sand and then I had my hands inside my shirt. So we said goodbye. She walked away. I waited for her to look back. And I started bouncing like this. And she said, it was very funny. Very, very funny. You know how people fly along on the planes? I fly a lot of planes. Okay, I never flew one, but I'm on a lot of planes. But one day I thought of a very funny example. A very funny trick. One morning we dressed me up as the pilot. And people were coming down to the plane. And sometimes they greeted by the staff on the plane. Well, they came to me. And I said, "Good morning." I had my hat on. I was pretending that I was going to be the pilot. And I said, "I'm going to be flying a plane today." And they said, "Oh, no." I said, like, no. How do you do that? Secret. So everyone came on the plane. A very, very funny reaction. But the funniest story that I did was one day I was in a car. And when you see me from the outside of the car, you don't see my body, you just see my head. So just imagine all you see is my head. One person from the car next to us was looking at me. She was looking at me. I was looking at her. She was looking at me. I was looking at her. This is before I was married. And this girl was looking at me. And all she sees is my head. So I just did this. And she thought my head did a 360 degree spin. And she was like, Anyway, I was born in Australia. And 7 years ago I moved to America. And now me and my wife and my boy, we live in California. And I miss them very much. My boy is only 3 months old. So I can't wait to see him. But my wife says hi to all of you. And I don't know when I'm coming back to Cambodia. But I hope that maybe next time I come, I'll bring my wife and my son. You know, as a child, I never thought that I'd ever have a good life. I'm 30 years old now. And yes, I have happiness. But many years I couldn't see my joy. I didn't know I'd be a speaker. I didn't know I'd write books. I really never thought I'd get married. But just because you can't see the future doesn't mean your future is not nice. Now, I'm not a person to say, "Hey, look at me. I'm going through something really difficult." No. I believe many people in this room are going through something worse than having no life. I believe it's worse being in a broken home than having no limbs. When you have to say goodbye to a loved one, maybe even bury them. Pain is pain. And brokenness is brokenness. Many people feel lonely.
មានមនុស្សជាច្រើនមានអារម្មណ៍ឯកា
I felt lonely.
ខ្ញុំមានអារម្មណ៍ឯកា
You see, if this side of the table represents my future,
បើសិនជានៅខាងជុំតុនេះវាតំណាងឲ្យអនាគតរបស់ខ្ញុំ
here it is.
នៅធ្វើបែបនេះ
Here I am today.
ខ្ញុំនៅទីនេះឥឡូវនេះ
But when I was younger,
នៅពេលដែលខ្ញុំកាលនៅពីក្មេង
I was going towards my future.
ហើយខ្ញុំកំពុងតែដើរឆ្ពោះមកកាន់អនាគតរបស់ខ្ញុំ
Encouragement brings you closer to your
ការ
future.
លើកទឹកចិត្តនាំយើងចូលមកកាន់អនាគតរបស់យើង
We need truths of three things. We need three truths.
យើងត្រូវការសេចក្តីពិត3យ៉ាង
Truth number one,
ទី1
truth of your purpose.
តើមានគោលបំណងដ៏ពិតមួយ
Secondly,
ទី2
the truth of your
សេច
value.
ក្តីពិតអំពីគុណតម្លៃផ្ទាល់ខ្លួនរបស់លោកអ្នក
And thirdly,
ទី3
the truth of your destiny.
សេចក្តីពិតអំពីជោគវាសនារបស់យើង
When you have people who love you, they encourage you.
នៅពេលដែលយើងមានមនុស្សដែលស្រឡាញ់យើងគេអាចលើកទឹកចិត្តយើងបាន
When you have things and you have more resources, you can do more.
យើងនៅពេលដែលយើងមានឧបករណ៍ច្រើនយើងមានធនធានច្រើនយើងអាចធ្វើកិច្ចការបានច្រើនជាងមុន
But it's not about who loves you,
ប៉ុន្តែមានរឿងអ្វីများទាក់ទងជាមួយនឹងមនុស្សដែលស្រឡាញ់យើង
and it's not about how much you have.
វាមិនពាក់ព័ន្ធជាមួយនឹងអ្វីដែលមនុស្សស្រឡាញ់យើងឬក៏អ្វីដែលយើងមាននោះទេ
You need to first ask yourself, who am I?
យើងត្រូវសួរខ្លួនឯងជាមុនសិនតើខ្ញុំជានរណា
Why am I even here?
ហើយអីក៏ខ្ញុំកើតលើផែនដីនេះ
Is this just a life to die?
ឬក៏កើតមកដើម្បីតែស្លាប់ទេ
Is there more after this
ឬ
life?
ក៏មានអ្វីលើសពីនឹងទៀតបន្ទាប់ពីជីវិតខ្ញុំស្លាប់ទៅ
Is there more to this life than just being a good person?
ឬក៏កើតមកលើផែនដីនេះគ្រាន់តែធ្វើជាមនុស្សល្អប៉ុណ្ណឹងគ្រប់គ្រាន់ណា
Wait a second.
អេសូមចាំមកណា
If there's not much more than this life and I'm in pain, why am I alive?
តើគួរតែមានអ្វីលើសពីជីវិតនេះហេតុអីបានជាខ្ញុំឈឺចាប់ហេតុអីបានជាខ្ញុំកើតមកលើផែនដីនេះ
Why does everyone else have more than me?
ហេតុអីក៏អ្នកដទៃគេមានច្រើនជាងខ្ញុំ
Then you start hearing the lies and discouragement.
ហើយយើងចាប់ផ្ដើមបង្ហោះខ្លួនឯងហើយយើងចាប់ផ្ដើមទទួលការអត់ទឹកចិត្ត
Oh, Nick, you're not good enough.
ជីវិតដែលអត់ទឹកចិត្តហើយយើងតែអ្នកលោកអត់ល្អទេ
Just give up.
បោះបង់ចោលទៅ
You're alone.
អ្នកជាមនុស្សដែលពេញដោយទុក្ខកង្វល់
You're never going to get married.
យើងលោកនឹងមិនបានរៀបការទេ
Did people tell me that?
តើមនុស្សគេប្រាប់ខ្ញុំអញ្ចឹងណា
No,
អត់ទេ
but I thought it.
ប៉ុន្តែខ្ញុំគិតខ្លួនឯងអញ្ចឹង
What happens when you leave a little seed to grow?
តើមានអីកើតឡើងនៅពេលយើងអាចយកនៅគ្រាប់ពូជតូចមួយចាប់ដើមរីកដុះដាលឡើង
It can grow into a big tree.
វាអាចលូតលាស់ឡើងក្លាយជាដើមឈើមួយដ៏ធំ
If you don't take away the seed,
បើយើងមិនដកគ្រាប់ពូជនោះចេញទេ
some trees can go really big.
ដើមឈើមួយប្រភេទដែលចាប់ដើមរីកដុះដាលឡើងយ៉ាងធំ
It's the same with positivity and negativity.
វាក៏ដូចគ្នាជាមួយនឹងភាពវិជ្ជមាននិងអវិជ្ជមាន
If you plant seeds of love,
បើយើងដាក់គ្រាប់ពូជនៃសេចក្តីស្រឡាញ់
love will grow.
សេចក្តីស្រឡាញ់នឹងរីកដុះដាលឡើង
If you plant seeds of hate,
បើយើងដាក់គ្រាប់ពូជនៃសេចក្តីសំអប់
hate will grow.
ការស្អប់នឹងកាត់ឡើងរីកដុះឡើង
And the seeds of lies began to grow and grow and
ហើយ
grow.
គ្រាប់ពូជនៃជីវិតនឹងចាប់ដើមលូតលាស់ឡើងលូតលាស់ឡើងលូតលាស់ឡើង
I thought I'd never get a job.
ហើយខ្ញុំគិតថាខ្ញុំនឹងមិនមានការងារធ្វើទេ
I thought I'd be alone.
ហើយខ្ញុំគិតថាខ្ញុំជាមនុស្សឯកា
So at age 8, I thought of giving up.
ហើយពេលនោះខ្ញុំចាប់ផ្ដើមធ្វើឲ្យខ្ញុំចាប់ផ្ដើមមានអារម្មណ៍ថាចង់បោះបង់ចោល
At age 10, I tried to give up.
ហើយពេលនោះខ្ញុំព្យាយាមមិនបោះបង់ចោល
I tried to drown myself.
ហើយខ្ញុំចាប់ព្យាយាមស្អប់ខ្លួនឯង
Why?
ហេតុអី
Because I couldn't see hope.
ពីព្រោះខ្ញុំអត់មានសេចក្តីសង្ឃឹមសោះ
But look at which way I'm facing.
សម្លឹងមើលថាខ្ញុំកំពុងតែមុខខ្ញុំបែរទៅណា
If truth is there
បើសេចក្តីពិតបែរមកខាងណា
and lies are here,
សេចក្តីកុហកបែរទៅខាងណាវិញ
you need to know the difference between lies and truth.
យើងត្រូវតែស្គាល់ឲ្យច្បាស់វែងច្បាស់រវាងសេចក្តីកុហកនិងសេចក្តីពិត
Oh no, Nick, you don't understand. My future's not good because look at my past.
លោកនេះអើយមើលជីវិតលោកនឹងមិនយល់ទេមើលជីវិតរបស់ខ្ញុំអនាគតរបស់ខ្ញុំនឹងមិនល្អទេមើលជីវិតខ្ញុំចុះ
Oh, Nick, I'm so scared about what other people think of me.
នេះគឺខ្ញុំខ្លាចមែនតើអំពីមនុស្សគេគិតអំពីខ្ញុំមិន
Oh, Nick, I don't know what's going to happen in my
នេះ
life.
គឺខ្ញុំមិនដឹងថានឹងមានអីកើតឡើងក្នុងជីវិតខ្ញុំទេ
I want you to know something.
ខ្ញុំចង់ឲ្យលោកអ្នកដឹងនឹងរឿងមួយយ៉ាង
Many people in this world think of giving
ហើយ
up.
ជាមានមនុស្សគេនឹងចង់បោះបង់ចោល
Some people even try.
មនុស្សខ្លះគេបានព្យាយាមរួចហើយ